Cisco is probably most well known for our firewall tools. Beyond that, we're actually also known for our advanced threat tools. And now we've actually gone into behavioral analytics and network traffic analysis. Cisco provides some native packet capture capabilities. It doesn't provide the sort of organizational packet capture capabilities that are really needed by network operations and security operations staff. Endace is essentially a market leader in terms of providing those capabilities. Cisco recognizes that and wants to work with Endace to basically go and provide those capabilities to our customers in a way that basically interoperates with all of our tools. Packet capture allows for the analysis of actual data that's moving across the network. The tools that I work with basically go and process and work with network telemetry. We actually listen to the devices that transmit on the network, and we basically, from those devices, we derive telemetry. Telemetry is great, but telemetry are essentially indicators of what's happening on the network. Packet capture is critically important because it's the actual data that's moving across the network. And Endace provides us the capability of being able to go in and not only capture data that's basically moving across the network, but actually intelligently index and store that information and then retrieve that information later. Endace is, in our respects, is essentially a market leader in that technology, and it's something that we value their partnership on. In terms of my team, I'm part of the Stealthwatch team. We're essentially, again, network traffic analysis and network behavioral analytics. But we tell the Stealthwatch operator about that connection between a user and a server, or between different users, between literally that user sitting at a computer, the devices. We can give them a tremendous amount of information about that connection. The one thing we don't tell them, or that we can't tell them, is we can't actually show them the actual data that was moved, the actual packets that were moved. So through our work with Endace, we can actually go and now interoperate with them, so someone using Stealthwatch can basically go and use the tool to basically define and find a specific connection in essentially this huge pool of data, and then submit that to Endace and their tool, which can then pull that out and provide us with essentially literally the packets that were moved across the network, the actual evidence of what was actually moved across the network. And that's extremely powerful.